Tired of crippling Ethereum gas fees? Let's dive into how you can use Arbitrum with MetaMask for faster, cheaper transactions in just a few simple steps. First, we need to add Arbitrum to your MetaMask. Open your MetaMask extension. Click on the Network Selection drop-down menu, usually displaying Ethereum mainnet. Scroll down and click Add Network. This will open a new tab in your browser. On the new page, select Add a Network manually. Now, fill in the following information for network name. Enter Arbitrum1 for new RPC URL. Enter https://arb1arbitrum.io/rpc. The chain ID is 42161 and the currency symbol is ETH. Double check all the information to make sure it's correct. Then click Save. Congratulations, Arbitrum1 is now added to your MetaMask. Now, let's bridge some funds from Ethereum to Arbitrum. Head over to the official Arbitrum Bridge at Bridge Arbitrum. Make sure you're on the official site. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the bridge, ensuring that your MetaMask is set to the Ethereum mainnet. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer to Arbitrum, and then click Deposit. MetaMask will pop up, asking you to confirm the transaction. Review the details, and then confirm. Be patient. Bridging can take a few minutes. Once your funds are on Arbitrum, you can start using dApps on the Arbitrum network. Just switch your MetaMask network to Arbitrum1 and you're good to go. You'll notice significantly lower gas fees when swapping tokens or interacting with DeFi platforms. And that's it. You've successfully added Arbitrum to your MetaMask bridge funds and are ready to explore the Arbitrum ecosystem. Enjoy those faster, cheaper transactions.